So now let's see how we can work around with featured image block inside of wordpress.com. So in order to go ahead and work around with the featured image block, you need to go in between two blocks, let's say for example, and then click on the plus button right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can simply go ahead and type in featured right here just like this. So then you can see that featured image is an option right here. If I were to go ahead and click, then what happens is that I have an option to add in images around over here. So if I were to go ahead and click, I can select out images that I already have right here just like this. Let's say for example, this one just like this. Or maybe I'm just going to go around and select out this image right here and click on insert. Once you do that, you got this particular image as you can see, and you can change around the width of the image right here just like this as well. So you can go ahead onto full width or wide right here just like this as you can see. You can also link to a particular post right here just like this and add in a link as well. But what you can also do is you can go ahead and add in a color overlay to this as well just like this and change around the opacity and change around, let's say for example, add in some effects as well if you have it, and then change around the padding right here and change around the aspect ratio according to how you want as well. So I'm just going to go for, let's say 16:9 right here, and you can go ahead and change around the height right here just like this to, let's say for example, some percentage, or you can go for pixel as well just like this, and that is what you have. Let me just go ahead and change around the height right here to 800, and this is what you have right here. So you can go ahead and change out the scale to cover or contain or fill right here just like this, and change around the border and this radius right here just like this as well to get the effect that we want. So you can go ahead and change around the scale right here just like this. I'm just going to go for cover and fill as you can see. So let's just go for cover so that it crops out. And if I were to go ahead and save this out right here, just like this, it simply saves it out. And then I can go ahead and view the post around over here. So now it completed out saving. So let's just go ahead and refresh this out, and you can see that this is what you have right here. And this is the featured image block that you have inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.